Today we will review about Amazon Basics portable air conditioner with remote, cools 550 square feet, 14,000 BTU. Remote controlled, portable air conditioning unit cools and dehumidifies rooms up to 550 square feet. Easily exhaust hot air through a window with the unit's expandable outtake hose, venting kit with ceiling, side panel leaf covers, bracket, and instructions included. Rolling caster wheels and easy grip side handles make moving and repositioning unit convenient. Fits standard windows and can be customized for non-traditional windows such as crank and egress. Adjustable directional fan levers to control and customize airflow for maximum circulation.